Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Pentair Amerlite Underwater Swimming Pool and Spa Light 12-volt 300 watt. Light up the night while you relax in your pool or hot tub with this Amerlite 300 watt swimming pool light from Pentair. Made with a prismatic tempered glass lens, this light delivers optimum light diffusion. Stainless steel shell is perfect for withstanding chemical treatments and general wear and tear. UL listed. Compatible with snap-on lens covers in blue, red, green, and amber to instantly create different moods for different occasions. Features: stainless steel face ring, heat sensing cutoff for low water protection, allows bulb changes without lowering water level, 12-volt and 300 watt 50-foot cord. Read the instructions before installation and use. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.